Today we're comparing the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 and the iRobot Roomba 694. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description, so let's see which one is right for you. Let's start by taking a look at each vacuum's design and build quality. Looking at the combo, you will notice on the top that the iRobot logo is front and center, and the 3 control buttons are in a row directly above it. We also have a two-tone finish with the outer ring being textured, very satisfying to touch. The 694, on the other hand, has its 3 control buttons front and center with the iRobot logo directly above it. The combo is more matte, while the 694 is more glossy. The differences continue when you flip the units over. Looking at the bottom, you will notice the combo has the AeroForce cleaning system, which is a dual rubber brush system. The 694 also has dual multi-surface brushes, but one is rubber while the other has bristles. In our testing, you will get less tangles with the dual rubber brushes. It is one of the best we have ever used for pet hair. The combo also supports mopping with an included mop tank that clips in place. Internally, you will find the combo has a 400 milliliter dustbin and 210 milliliter water tank, while the 694 only has a 350 milliliter dustbin. Now let's take a closer look at their cleaning performance. The combo maxed out at 2.6 CFM, usually the higher the better, that's what you want to see here, while the 694 peaked at 3.9 CFM. In our carpet deep clean test, the combo scored 90 out of 100, while the 694 scored 75. This shows you that the combo is able to get more out of less with the far superior AeroForce cleaning system. Next up, let's explore how each model navigates and maps your home. Both vacuums feature a full suite of advanced sensors that allow the robots to navigate under and around furniture and along edges, while Cliff Detect keeps it from falling down the stairs. Both are lacking ladder navigation, which is a bummer. The good news is the combo does support mapping and you are able to clean by room. No zone or object cleaning supported though. The combo also is able to clean in a row by row pattern, a feature absent and dearly missed from the 694. Moving on, let's compare battery life. Both units can last up to 90 minutes. Regardless of model, if the battery gets too low, they will automatically return home to charge. In regards to mopping, it's really easy and simple to refill the water tank and remove the mop pad for cleaning. Another important factor to consider is smart features and connectivity options. Each vacuum uses the iRobot Home app and gives you access to control your vacuum with your smartphone. Set a schedule and forget about it. View your cleaning history and even clean with your favorite voice assistant. The combo with its advanced navigation will populate a map for you and allow you to choose individual rooms for cleaning. Finally, after learning more about each vacuum, let's talk about overall value. The Combo i5 costs a couple bucks more than the 694, but it comes with an upgraded cleaning system and mopping functionality. If budget is an issue, you could even consider opting for the Combo i5 Plus, which comes with a self-emptying base. If you prioritize a deeper clean, live in a house full of Sasquatches, want to mop your floors, and seek slightly improved navigation, then the Roomba Combo i5 is your best bet. However, if you prefer more Benjamins in your pocket and can forego mopping, then the 694 offers excellent value.